We have a big breaking news coming in, viewers, because there is an India impact of the war also very significant for us, something which we obviously must highlight and discuss. Government basically has called out all the fuel fear-mongering. What are government sources telling Times Now? Now, that is our exclusive. There is no impact when it comes to petrol and diesel pricing. There is no panic over the LPG price hike. When it comes to the government, we are comfortable in our availability. So basically, government sources saying there is no LPG panic. Government also saying that LPG supplies are stable. There is no shortage. Very, very significant development coming in, Pragya. Take us through what the sources are telling you.
Absolutely. The sources are saying that LPG at one point of time was a concern, but not so much now. In fact, an order has been issued to all the refineries to also, only use propane and butane for the production and, fragmentation and also supply for only LPG for the domestic use. So much so that these refineries will be giving this particular, gases only to 3 companies to which they deliver for the domestic use of LPG. But having said that, government also gives us a figure saying that in 2014, subsidized cylinder was of rupees 500. In 2026, yes, it is of rupees 610, which is in 12 years, there is just minimal.
Right, very significant, Pragya. Why don't you hold on to that thought? I'll come back to you. We also have a reaction of Prahlad Joshi. Let's listen into that first, viewers.
के प्राइस में जो सब्सिडी में है, सब्सिडी लिस्ट में उनको सिलेंडर का प्राइस ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है, इतना तो समझना चाहिए। इंटरनेशनल लिस्ट के कारण जो डोमेस्टिक सिलेंडर ज़्यादा हुआ है, लेकिन जो सब्सिडी लेते हैं, गरीब को देते हैं, उसके लिए जो हम एक स्कीम में दिया था, उज्ज्वला स्कीम में, उसमें जो था उनको ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है रेट। दूसरी बात, जो डोमेस्टिक अदर डोमेस्टिक के लिए भी हुआ है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा बंगाल में है। क्यों? इधर के टैक्स जो है, इधर के टैक्स, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के टैक्स, वैट, क्योंकि पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट अभी भी जीएसटी में नहीं है, ये वैट इन्होंने ज़्यादा किया है। कर्नाटक में ज़्यादा है। क्यों? कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट है। इधर वेस्ट बंगाल में टीएमसी का गवर्नमेंट है, इसलिए वैट ज़्यादा हुआ है। इसके कारण ये सब हुआ है। लेकिन वो जानते हैं कि वो हार रही है, इसलिए सब तमाशा कर रहे हैं। सिलेंडर
All right, Pragya, I'd like to come back to you. Apologies, I had to interrupt you earlier. We had that obviously reaction coming in. Take us through, what your sources are telling you when it comes to India's position, be it LPG, be it fuel.
Absolutely, and the government is saying they're still very comfortable, and there are signals from Iran also, Meenakshi, when they say that they won't be attacking their neighbors, and the signals that the cargo movement will soon be started from even the Strait of Hormuz. In fact, the government is also saying that the 40% of the crude that was coming from Strait of Hormuz, which has now been 60% from somewhere else, but government has started replenishing us holdings as well. They're buying more from other sources, so the requirement that used to come from 60% of the sources now has become 70%. So in a way, whatever comes from Strait of Hormuz has come down to 30% also. Apart from that, the reassurance, is given by the government that there is no increase in petrol or diesel prices whatsoever. When it comes to Congress, the government also says that it is a baseless allegation. When the government says no increase in prices, that would specifically meant for petrol and diesel. LPG is a very minimal increase over a period of 12 years is what government is saying. And in fact, they have also compared it, the prices with what the Guwahati has and what the government of Bengal has. So in a way, also giving a counter to all those opposition leaders and the parties that are saying that, the prices has increased much and it is a burden on consumers. The government says 20 paisa per person per day is the hike if you count the cylinders that have been given. But this is also a very minimal hike as far as the time period is also concerned. Government says there's no problem at all, no concern at all. Stock position is improving. We are expecting that more supply would come, and the effort is to provide more and more availability
Pragya,
of LPG.
You're right, Pragya. Obviously, thank you for joining us with all these updates.